Hello friends, our subject operating system has Unit 6 File Management for 10 marks. This is part 1 of it. This unit has course outcome 502.6 Apply File Management Techniques and unit outcome explain structure of the given file system with example. Describe mechanism of given file system with examples. Explain procedure to create and access directories and assign the given file access permissions. Explain features of the given RAID level structure of the hard disk. Contents, file, concept, attribute, operations, types, file system structure, access method, sequential access, direct access, swapping, methods, continuous link, index, directory structure, single level, two level, tree structure, disorganization, disk structure, physical structure, logical structure, RAID structure of the disk, RAID level of 0 to 6. Today in this lecture, we will cover concept of file, attributes, operations, types and file system structure. File concept. A file is the named collection of the related information that is recorded on secondary storage. A file is the smallest allotment of logical secondary storage. That is, data cannot be written to the secondary storage unless they are within the file. Files represent programs and data. Data files may be numeric, alphabetic, alphanumeric, or binary. Files may be free form, such as text, or may be formatted rigidly. In general, a file is a sequence of bits, bytes, lines, or records. The meaning of it is defined by the file creator or the user. The information in the file is defined by its creator. Many different types of information may be stored in a file. Source program, object program, executable programs, numeric, data, text, payroll record, graphics, images, sound recording, and so on. A file has a defined structure according to its type. A text file is a sequence of characters organized into lines. A source file is a sequence of routines and functions which are executable and designed to do some specific task. An object file is the sequence of bytes organized into loader record blocks which is understandable by the system linker. An executable file is a series of code sections that loader can bring into memory and execute it. File attributes. Attributes are the parameters which are used to keep the track of file in the operating system. These are the properties of the file. File has various attributes which vary from one operating system to the another. Some of the attributes are name, identifier, type, location, size, protection, date, time, and user identification. Let us see all. First one is name. This is the symbolic file name and the only information kept in the human readable form. Identifier. This unique tag, usually a number, identifies the file within the file system. It is the non-human readable name for the file. Types. This information is needed for the system that support different types of files. Location. This information is a pointer to a device and to the location of the file on that device. Size. The current size of the file in bytes, words or blocks and possibly the maximum allowed size are included in this attribute. Protection. Access control information determine who can do reading, writing and executing and so on. Time, date and user identification This information may be kept for creation, last modification, and last use. These data can be useful for protection, security, and users monitoring. The information about the files are kept in directory structure which is maintained on the disk. File operations. There are various operations that can be performed on the file. First one is create. Two steps are necessary to create a file. First, space in the file system must be found for the file. And second, an entry for the new file must be made in the directory. The directory entry records the name of the file and the location in the file system and possibly the other information. Write operation. To write a file, we make a system call specifying both the name of the file and the information to be returned to the file. Given name of the file, searches the directory to find the location of the file. The system must keep a write pointer to the location in the file where the next write is to take place. For example, write bracket a comma abc bracket complete. So here A is the name of the file and ABC is the information that is required to be write into the file A. Read operation. To read from a file, we use a system call that specifies the name of the file and where the next block of the file should be put. Again, the directory is searched for the associated directory entry and the system needs to keep a read pointer to the location in the file where the next read is take place. For example, read A. This will read the content of file A. Reposition within a file. The directory is searched for the appropriate entry and the current file position is set to the given value. Repositioning within a file does not need the IO. This IO operation is also known as file sync. Deleting a file. To delete a file, we search the directory for the named file. After this, we release all the file space so that it can be reused by the other files and erase the directory entry. Truncate. The user may want to erase the content of the file but keep its attribute rather than forcing the user to delete the file and then recreate it. This function allows all the attributes to remain unchanged except for the file length. It will be 0. Next is file types. A common technique for implementing the file type is to include the type as a part of the name. The name is split into two parts, a name and an extension usually separated by a period character. In this way, user and the operating system can tell from the name that the type of the file is. For example, in MS-DOS, a name can consist of up to 8 characters followed by a period and terminated by an extension of up to 3 characters. The system uses extension to indicate that the type of the file and the type of operation that can be done on that file. These are the various types of file. According to their extension, they can be identified. For example, executable file. The extension can be exe, com, bin or none. This will read the machine language program. Object file .obj or O. These are the compiled machine language and not link file. Source code. It can be any source code with extension of C, CC, Java, PAS, ASM. Source code in the various languages. Batch file. .bat.sh. These are the commands to command interpreter. Text. .txt. .doc. Textual data documents. Word processor. .wp. .tex. rrf.doc, various word processor formats, library file .lib, .a, .so, .dll, .mpeg, .mov, .rm, libraries of the routines for the programmers, print or view .arc, .zip, .tar, ASCII or binary files in a format for printing or viewing, archive .arc, .zip, .tar, related files grouped into the one file, sometimes compressed for archiving or storage, multimedia .mpeg, .mov, .rm, binary file containing the audio or audio-video information. File structure. File type can be used to indicate the internal structure of the file. Source or object files has structure that match the expectation of the program that read them. Certain files must be in required structure that is understood by the operating system. For example, the operating system requires that an executable file have a specific structure so that it can determine where in the memory to load the file and what the location of the first instruction is. Some operating systems extend this idea into a set of system-supported file structure with a set of special operations for manipulating files with those structures. Thank you.